Okay, so in your last video we were seeing about the HTML semantics. So in this video we will see about what is the HTML forms and the accessibility. So form, normally you see we use the form, the word, so very often we use it. So where we will be using when we are organizing an event, or when we are just polling out, or when feedback is taken. So we use Google Forms everywhere. So in the same way, even HTML is having forms. So in that you can see we are having the input forms. Okay, in that the first type of input form is your email. URL, number, date and range. For example, I am taking a form over here. So example, I have conducted a boot camp. So the header file may be of, an indication of the header file may be of, I am just giving a header 1. So it is of boot camp, and I am just closing the header of H1. So with this, what happens? The title appears over here as boot camp. So by creating the next tag of email also can be described inside your tags, whereas the email can be created, so you can close your email back again. So over here, for example, it is given as user ID and password. So what happens over here? When the email is given as your input, automatically the password is also an input which is given by you. You can create your own passwords and any other things. So you know nowadays we are having many special characters, the numbers. So the characters may be, I am just describing the numbers of tag as 0 to 9, and the special characters, what are the special characters we are having, such as ash, star, dollar, or some whatever special characters we are having. So I can give and I can close my tags over here like this. So in the same way, if you see, even we can arrange the date and time. For example, we will be, when we are in an exam hall, we will be creating a range of timing and date which is used to run at the top, or which is used to run at the bottom of your web page which you have designed. So each one of your tabs are given a unique form IDs where you can take the data from one end to another end. So next is your requirements. So we have seen our input types, and now we see our requirements. The requirements may be a pattern or a minute. So as I told you earlier, so this is my web page. I am welcoming you to my web page, and I need the timing over here. I need my logo over here. I need my article description over here, and it may be of anything. It may be of a placeholder, or maybe putting my signature over here. So it may be whatever it is. So this is your input types and the requirements which is eligible for your new form attributes. So over here, if you see, for example, the username over here is given as your input type, and it may be of any text. The text may be contains of numbers or values or any other thing, and then a break statement is given where it moves to your next line, and from the next line you can enter your email, the same input type. Your email, it may be of Gmail or the Hotstar, so it may be of any kind of email, and then you can close. So in this forms we have created only the user ID and your password mail, where you can use both the contents of this. So next is your accessibility. So in this accessibility we are having the labels of header files of 1 to 2. So in that header files, not only the welcome address may be given, even my business name also can be given in between the tags. So whatever it may be, so the text of header can be given, header 1, header 2. So you can go on giving the header files, so that the header files will be appearing only on your top of the web page creation where you need. For example, over here we are creating of Snsinstitutions. This is your main text which is present, but in the text itself I need the accredited of of the NAT cycle and how many cycles we have gone through and what is the third cycle and all. So by this, the accessibility, by seeing the front page, we can easily understand. So the next is your advantages, where we can easily read it, we can access, and it will be a user friendly. So in our next video we can see about your CSS3. So thank you.